Ohio people, and I don't know why I was so close to the mic, or what. Okay, Robert just did that. I'm Rick Bella. Jeez, I can't get... Say hi, now. Say hi. She didn't say okay yet. Howdy, I'm dead inside. Classic words. Hi, Robert. Oh, Jesus. I will kill my victims. I hate people. If you guys didn't know, I'm an introvert, so this will be a happy time for me. Die! I'm not gonna let you guys have my senpai. Please don't kill me. Oh boy, you being killed. How? Frick. Yeah. And I do have a mechanical keyboard right now. Yeah, frick indeed. Spread the yak milk. Hashtag yak. Hashtag yak. Ew. Oh no, senpai. Senpai, 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 senpai. I need to get on top of you. Oh, you guys like my new outfit? The crap? What is happening? We need to jump. That's what we can do. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Help! 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 Help me. Frick indeed, girl. Girlfriend. Man, I wish. Promise to not buy it. Help. Help! But I'm gonna go KMS. What does KMS mean? Okay, I gotta go to midnight. Okay. So I just got message. Yes, I had 2 minutes. Okay. Doesn't look like anybody went through that. Kill me now. Enemy so close to it. Frick. Frick indeed. Frick. What do we do in this one? I don't know. Get away from me. Get the frick away. Oh, this is perfect because she's Panda Red Snow. Daisy Sunset, I have to look out for her. Oh no, Daisy Sunset. I want to curse so bad right now, but I can't. Huh? Going down here. I'm gonna win. I want to win at least. Look, I don't blend in. Good job, Robert. You died. Yes, RMD. Kawaii Cat 6! I won! death. I hid. Going underground. Going underground grove. What up? I hate that animation. Oh no, is this a dropper map? What? Oh, do we go? Yes, we do. This is like a dropper map. Oh. No! No. I moved my headset. What the frick?